Hi there, students. A purple patch. Okay, a purple patch is a period where you are really successful, or you're really lucky, or things go better than usual. Now, this phrase, a purple patch, is particularly used for teams or for sports players when they win several difficult matches in a row. So United are having a purple patch at the moment and have won 9 of their last 10 games. The tennis player is in the middle of a purple patch and he hasn't lost a single match in 3 months. So it's a particularly successful period. My team seem to be having a purple patch in the match and it looks like they are going to score. So it's a period of success, a period of good fortune. It's where things are going well. Things are working out. So he was enjoying a purple patch and had scored 12 goals in 7 games. I continued my purple patch with a fourth victory this weekend. My team has hit a purple patch with 5 victories out of the last 6 games. So it's a run of success, a run of good luck, that things are going well. Yeah, the business is going through a purple patch at the moment. It's gaining lots and lots of clients and it's making loads of money. And this is a purple patch. If you have talented management leading a company, then they are liable to go through a purple patch. Everything seemed to be going well in his life. He'd found a job, he got a new girlfriend. Yeah, his life seems to be going through a purple patch. So he's very successful. Okay, so a purple patch. Things are going right. A period of good fortune. Everything's going in the right way. Let's see, this comes from Purple Prose. Let's see, Purple Prose, I've got a video about this, is writing which is extremely elaborate, incredibly elaborate descriptions. And this purple prose actually comes from the Roman poet Horace, Quintus Horatius Flaccus. And in one of his works he says, "Your opening shows great promise and yet flashy purple patches, as when describing a sacred grove or the altar of Diana." So purple patches in the prose are places where there is a very florid description. And from that we've come to a purple patch. It's gone further. A period of excellent performance where almost everything is going well. And this is as a contrast to perhaps parts of your life or parts of a career that aren't so successful. So yeah, I've been having a purple patch recently. The number of subscribers has gone up massively. 1 or 2 videos have gone viral, and more and more people are watching and commenting, and that is a purple patch. Well, it's all right, but that's just an example. So a purple patch, a period of time where a section of time where things are going well. I guess a purple patch could be an area in the book which has got very florid, very high-blown descriptions. my team extended their lead by scoring 3 goals in a purple patch just before half time. Okay, so this purple patch, it's talking about success. It's talking about a period of excellent performance, a period when everything goes right. Okay, period where everything is successful. Formality, a purple patch. I think I'm going to give it 4 in formality. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but I wouldn't use it in something very formal. So, a purple patch.